We're asked to simplify these three problems, and we just went over the basic properties of logs. And maybe if we can squeeze them in there, we've been talking about writing the log or exponential statement on the right side. So you can use a box or an X. The reason why I use a box is because a lot of times when you say X equals, you're thinking that you solved an equation. Okay, so we're going to unclick the log. Class, what's my base?
4.
4 grows up out of the basement. Not living with your parents anymore. Switch the numbers. What do you got there? What goes up there? 0. Is your box, and your box is equal to?
0.
0. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. Raise your hand if you got that. Oh, look at this one. Same thing. Let's try something different. Let's make it equal to x. My base is radical 7. Log, taking the log or unclicking the log kind of makes us switch them. Now I have radical x. That's a 7. Radical 7. That looks really messy. Let's try that again. Radical 7 equals radical 7 to the x power. Okay. Question. Oh. And class, what's the invisible number up here? Okay, wait. Hold on. Let me put a parentheses around it. Maybe that'll help. What's the number outside here? 1. So the answer is x equals 1. Now you could have turned this problem into a fractional exponent. Did anyone do that? No one? Fractional exponents? Okay, let me show you. It's the same thing. Your problem would have been 7 to the 1/2 equals 7 to the 1/2 times box or x, whatever it is. Well, same, different. What's the different up here? That would still be a 1. Okay? And C. Question. This here is in log form. Show me your thumbs. Talk to your partner why this is not in log form.
Because the word log is so... Why do you think so, Jason?
Now it's kind of tricky, right? You see the word what?
Log.
So you think it's in log form, but it's 6 to the something power. Does that make sense? So it's not. It's an exponential form. Remember, treat this kind of like a hole. If you need to, put a box around it, a rectangle. Class, what's your base? So I would have to write what? Log 6. You're going to switch those. Kind of confusing. So the rectangle goes over here. And then the box goes over here. Same, different. Box is equal to 20. Remember, this is the long way. Long way is okay. You still get the right answer. This property is basically showing you that this here in blue, they are inverses. They essentially cancel, and you're left with 20 as your answer. And that was a property that we just did right here and right there in that problem.